Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into a crucial product for every pet owner. The best cleanup after your dog signs available in the market. If you're tired of dealing with unwanted surprises in your yard, these signs could be your perfect solution. These cleanup after your dog signs by LARREEDE are not just your average yard signs. They're crafted with quality in mind, featuring vibrant full-color graphics on sturdy corrugated plastic. Each sign measures 9 inches by 12 inches, ensuring they're easily visible without being obtrusive. What sets these signs apart is their durability. Made from high-grade corrugated plastic, they are weatherproof, UV-resistant, and tear-resistant. This means they'll withstand wind, rain, and sun, keeping your message intact and visible throughout the seasons. Compared to traditional paper signs or flimsy alternatives, these are a cut above the rest. They're reusable and maintain their integrity even in harsh conditions, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. What really stands out about these signs is their all-weather performance and the money-back guarantee offered by LARREEDE. If you're not satisfied for any reason, they'll refund your purchase without hesitation. That's confidence in their product quality and customer satisfaction. Whether you're a homeowner tired of dealing with neighborhood pets or a business owner looking to maintain a clean outdoor environment, these signs are your silent guardians. They effectively communicate your expectations without the need for multiple signs cluttering your yard. In conclusion, if you're serious about keeping your property clean and free from unwanted surprises, these cleanup after your dog signs from LARREEDE are your go-to choice. They combine durability, visibility, and ease of use, backed by a company that prioritizes customer satisfaction. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Until next time, stay informed and choose wisely.